In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I make $7,450 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing every single month just by using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions every single month. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. I can click here. This is promotion tools, reports. This is my commissions here, my summary, bounties, and so on. Okay. So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account first. So go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link over here like this, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on sign up, and here you go. Scroll down and click over here on create your Amazon account. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It's for free. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that people are searching for on YouTube, and you should start promoting those products to earn commissions. You cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work, or you think you like it, or something like this. It doesn't work like that. You need to start and you need to use YouTube and see what people are searching for, which product people will be interested to buy from you. Okay, so what you will do next is you will go to your YouTube homepage. Next step, go to your YouTube homepage. Since we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links, we will go to our YouTube homepage like this. And guys, did you know that YouTube has I think maybe I have this website that's showing how traffic YouTube is getting, how much traffic YouTube is getting monthly, and I think it's getting like up to 31 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. Don't miss the potential of YouTube, okay? Millions of people every single day searching on YouTube for specific topics, searching for products, searching for services, and so much more. So what you will do, like I said, open your YouTube homepage, click on the search, and you need just to ask question. So let's say, for example, okay, I'm gonna ask best YouTube camera, okay, and here you go. Guys, this is the topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. It's not from me, it's not from you. This is suggested by YouTube. That's what people are searching for. People who want to start YouTube. We have a lot of people who just want to start YouTube. They will use YouTube to search for best YouTube camera to use, okay, to create content. Best YouTube camera 2024, best YouTube camera for beginners, best YouTube camera for vlogging. So what you will do next, I will take this topic and I will go back to Amazon. Go to your Amazon website like this, open your Amazon account, click on the search, okay, and search for YouTube camera. We'll search for products related to those topics that people are searching for, because those people who are searching for the best camera for YouTube, they want to start creating content. They want to start YouTube channel and creating content. So they are searching for the best camera that they can use. So that's why you need to search for YouTube camera, scroll down, and you need to choose good products for those people. So let me see if we can find good one here. So scroll down and choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews and so on. For example, like this one, for example, I will choose this one, guys. Almost $160 for this camera. A lot of people can buy this one. I think this one is good. I will click on this product. Just click on this product link over here, in this product name, and you will be directly in this Amazon product page, okay, to this camera product for YouTube, okay. What you will do next, you will scroll down and you guys should see here videos. We have videos, which is really good. I will click on videos just click on videos like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. As you can see, guys, we have a lot of videos here. We will choose this one. This one is explaining and showing, and he made a review about this camera, which is really good. This is a good video that we can use. I will click on this video over here, and here you go. Let's check.
Just got this new camcorder. I've had camcorders several times in the past over the last 20 years. For the
You guys can see
with iPhones these days,
this video explaining this camera and showing the benefits of this camera, how people can use it, people who want to start making content, how they can use this camera, which is really good. So what you will do, you will click over here to go to get the full screen like this.
I have a comfort level.
So let me show you.
Feels the same in my hands.
And what you will do next is you will record this video. You need to record this video. Turn your screen recording on and record this video. Record the full video, okay? So just like this.
How it fits. Buttons are where I expect.
So after you record this video, let me show you.
Functionality that it used to have in past camcorders that are on phones now, for example, are all right here and very easy.
So after you record this video to your laptop, go to Google and search for Canva. Search for Canva. Search for this website. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. It's for free. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded from Amazon, okay? This one about YouTube camera, okay? This one. Click on open, and your video will be over here to your Canva account. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will click over here on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. I'm going to use, for example, this one. Just use the simple and easy one that people can understand, and it should be clear, and that's it, okay? So just simple one. I will delete this one. I will decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description like this, okay? Click over here on elements, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go over here to shapes and use this one. Click on color, choose black color, and put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go. You guys can see your video will be like this.
Just got this new camcorder. I've had camcorders several times.
You guys can see. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, people who are searching for the best camera for YouTube, they will watch your video. They will see this check link in my description. What we will do is we will put our affiliate link, our Amazon affiliate link, in our YouTube description, and that's it. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After that, go to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel. It's for free. It's gonna take just 1 minute. It's easy. Upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title: best YouTube camera for beginners. And you can use this 2024. Use the same title that people are using to search for those videos, okay? So your video can rank in the first page of the search results of YouTube. That's if you want to rank your video. In your YouTube description, you can also use this title. If you are searching for the best YouTube camera for beginners for 2024, check link below. What you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page about this product. You guys should already create your Amazon affiliate account. You should have an Amazon affiliate account, so you guys can get your affiliate link from here. So you can see this bar in your Amazon account, this one, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. I already have my Amazon affiliate account. So what I will do, I will just click over here on text, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube channel, put your Amazon affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Make a good thumbnail for your video. Start making those videos that people are searching for. Start promoting product that people are searching for. Okay, that's how we can make a lot of money with Amazon affiliate marketing. That's how I make like these commissions every single month. I'm making a lot of videos. I have a lot of channels, multiple channels that I'm using to promote my Amazon affiliate links. I'm not using just YouTube, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Pinterest, and so much more. Okay, if you guys are interested, you guys can comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods that you can use to start getting some commissions like this and increase your commissions. If you start using this method for at least 3 months, if you stay consistent for 3 months, I can guarantee to you that you will start seeing your first commission just in the next few weeks. Okay, because it's the business model is clear. Okay, you just need to start and you need to stay consistent. YouTube, there is no limit on YouTube. You can upload 10 videos per day, 20 videos per day, 50 videos per day. There is no limit. You can upload a lot. Okay, and you need to start. You need to do good SEO for your videos so they can rank good and get views from YouTube search, and you will keep making commissions for years, because people always are searching for best camera for YouTube. Every single day new people want to start making content, and that's it. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate these methods, these strategies. Just leave a like for this video, comment affiliate marketing if you want to see more, and see you in my next videos.